Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Today I would like to speak about Country Delight Milk. Nowadays we see many advertisements regarding Country Delight Milk. After seeing it, I've got a milk kit to test the purity of milk. You see buffalo milk, it's a half-liter packet which costs 39 rupees, and so date is given before which you got to use. Now we'll see what's there in the milk kit. A user manual is given which speaks of their app and the milk products they have provided us. Fresh cow milk, buffalo milk, desi ghee, low-fat milk. I've given you the referral code in the description box. You can use it on placing your first order. A letter here is given regarding their quality report. Now we'll see what's there in the honest milk kit. There are 4 tests given to us through which you can prove the purity of milk. Test for MQ2, this speaks of the quality. Test for urea, this speaks whether there's adulteration or not. And for all the tests, you observe the color change. If there's any change in the color, it's not pure milk. For test for starch, test for detergent or soap. Test for starch, you see here if it's natural milk, you observe there's no color change, it's white. And here for soap, you see it's light yellow, which speaks that it's pure milk. And you got to wait for 5 minutes after putting the straps in the milk filled containers to observe the change in color. Now we'll see the containers. Already the straps are inserted or embedded into the containers. A milk filler is given. If you fear spilling the milk around, you can use this filler to put the milk in the containers. Now the blue strap speaks of quality and the white strap speaks of starch, and brown strap speaks of detergent of soap, and yellow strap is for urea. After downloading the app from the Google Play Store and placing your first order, you can go for referring for your friends to get cashback of 250 rupees. And this offer lasts till 31st of August 2021. You can load or recharge your wallet if you want to order the milk. See here I am filling the containers with the milk. You can go for a trial pack also, ordering a trial pack. You can go for it for 4 days and after that you got to pay. And I'll be providing you the description link through which you can order your trial pack. See, I'm putting the strips in the containers and the names are also given of the tests, and you can read and put the respective straps into the containers. You got to wait for 5 minutes for 3 tests for urea, starch, detergent of soap tests to see the result, whether there's any change in color or not. So I've observed there's no change in color. Next test is for quality. You got to wait for 25 minutes to see this result. Now I see it's been successful. The color is blue, and I see there's no change in color. That means the quality is good. Now I see all the tests are passed, and we can see the quality is good. There's no use of urea, there's no use of starch and detergent also, and the pure milk is pure. Thanks for watching. Like, share. Don't go away. Please watch my experience. I have added a few clips here. Have made curd, and you see a layer of cream is formed on curd. I have put in the frizz, and you see how thick it is. And using it, have churned butter in 3 minutes. This is the result of using Country Delight milk for 15 days. Have made butter, ghee and cream. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1.